Good morning, last day in Spain. Time to check out the hotel. Gonna be traveling to Malaga because that's where the flight is back to the UK. Initially the original plan was to stay in Malaga, but because I hadn't pre-booked anything, had a look at some of the hotel prices. They were well over €100 just for the single night, so it was just crazy. That's the reason why, another reason why we stayed another night in Granada. But it was definitely worth it because we got to see a whole lot more. So gonna be heading down to the coach station now and try to get a coach over to Malaga. I think it's gonna be around about €15 for the ticket, which ain't too bad for like a 2-hour coach journey. So yeah, let's go.
I say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. You're my queen, my dear, your caps lock underline. You have heads turned, jaws drop when you're passing by. And they will beg to see you smile just one more time. Ooh, I see you, see you, see you every time. And oh my, it's been a while. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see your smile just one more time.
Just come to Granada coach station. Managed to use the bus ticket for the onward journey on the second bus because we had to have a change. Got the number 32 and then changed to the number 33, I believe, to reach the station. Remember to keep your tickets because Granada's got a really good transport system where if you buy a bus ticket and you've got any changes along your route, you can use the same ticket, just scan it on the following bus. So that's brilliant value. For €1.40 you can use it for an onward journey. So thumbs up to Granada for that. So the plan now, instead of actually catching a coach to Malaga and spending a day in Malaga and rushing for the flight tonight, I think we're just going to end up staying here and going directly to Malaga airport from Granada coach station. It's a lot less hassle, a lot less stress, so gonna end up spending a couple of hours in Granada because I managed to spend a lot of time in Malaga last year when I visited Spain. So yeah, I'm gonna try find somewhere to put the bags. I know in most coach stations they have a locker service. I need to see if the suitcase actually fits in the lockers, and then yeah, we'll just leave the coach station and spend a bit more time in Granada. How you do lunch on a budget. Come to a supermarket called Mercadona and bought a baguette and a few other ingredients, drink, some hummus and stuff like that. So this is lunch on a budget. That's lunch done. An hour left now till the coach. Booked on an Alsa, what's it called now? A Supra version. So there's an Alsa normal and the Alsa Supra. The Supra version comes with free Wi-Fi on the coach and also has, I think, television screens as well. It's only like a couple of euros more, so if you can get the Supra version, do that. It was €15 from Granada to Malaga airport. With the last hour, I just got a bit of time to burn, so I'm gonna use one of these again. It's the moving scooters, electric scooter. Like I said in my previous video, I'll leave a link in the description below, and you can get 15 free minutes on me.
When I can't move on, when my friends are failing me, I call upon you. Allah, 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 you are Allah.
Hope you enjoyed some of that footage on the scooter. Bags of fun. I really love that about Spain. They've got a lot of these electric scooters in different cities which you can just hire out. my trip for around about 30 minutes riding was just €6. Well worth the money for a great bit of fun. Just try it, that's all I gotta say. All you need is a driver's license and your passport, just for verification. Bags are fine. Just gonna go collect the bags now. Got about 20 minutes till the coach departs, so left the bags in some lockers. It's €3.50 for however long you want, I think up to 24 hours per locker, and managed to get the massive suitcase within the locker, so good thing if you don't want to be walking around with a lot of stuff.
Báilame como si fue de la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui, 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 rumba.
Just got off the coach, arrived at Malaga airport, here 2 to 3 hours before the flight. Just gonna check in and all that kind of stuff. Gonna get the tickets, push the bags through, and then might end up doing a review video on the time in Granada and end the vlog there, hopefully, unless something drastic happens at the airport. But yeah, see you in a few moments. One of the things I have noticed is that the Wi-Fi at the airports is extremely fast. It's super fast at Spanish airports. It's amazing. It's a lot better than the fibre broadband that you actually get inside your house in the UK. So I've got to give a lot of credit to that. The time at Granada was really amazing. Everything's done at a moderate pace, so it's not like a really busy city like Madrid or Barcelona. And they have great transport links too, so you can get buses around the city. There's a hop on and off tourist bus that you can get. They've got taxis, and if you've been watching the videos, there's an electric scooter also called Moving, and I'll leave the link in the description below, so if you did want to try that out, you can get a 15-minute free ride. Granada has like loads of great things to see, great food. I'd suggest a minimum of 2 days, so you know, I'd say around 4 or 5 days you'll be able to kind of see and do everything. But yeah, 1 or 2 days just does not do it justice. There's a lot of halal places as well, which is really good, which really helped. You know, being able to get halal food in many restaurants and cafes and stuff like that. It's really rich in history and culture, which is my kind of thing. So you know, decided against, you know, spending a bit more time in Malaga, because that's what the original plan was. Visited Malaga last year, and it is a really nice place, but spent about 4 days I think last year, which was probably not enough time for Malaga, but the time in Granada was a lot more enjoyable this time, and got to see a whole lot more, which made it a lot better. Because there was still so much to see in Granada, the decision to stay there longer was definitely worth it. Lastly, I just really want to thank everyone for supporting the content. If you've been watching my videos and you've been interacting by, you know, giving it a thumbs up or subscribing or leaving any comments, I really want to thank all you guys. Without you guys, the channel would not grow. For myself, I do it as a hobby, and by uploading the content online, I'm able to see my travel journeys at any time. So for me, it's just a hobby. But without you guys, the channel just simply would not grow. If it's your first time watching, please just continue to watch. There are more trips planned. So at the end of the year, the next trip will be Turkey. So there's a trip planned to Istanbul, and I really hope you enjoy that trip.